Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, August 25. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC says the timing of its fare increase is linked to a number of services that will be rolling out next month. Among them is a technology application that will enable persons to access scheduling information on their cell phones. The company's service standards will also be published in the national newspapers on August 31.
We'll tell you every route, how many buses are on it, and what is the frequency and the headways on every single route. So you should be able to hold JUTC to a standard.
JUTC's managing director says a global positioning system GPS locator will also be installed on every unit.
If you know what bus your child is on, we'll be able to tell you and put it on the screen and show you where your child is. So we are ramping up our technology in a very serious way.
As of September 1, passengers will only be able to access the benefit of a concession fare by the use of a smarter card. And the bus company will be launching a substantial marketing program to make information available to the public. JUTC's new fares took effect on Sunday, August 24. Adults now pay $120 while children and the disabled pay $30. And the original increase of $60 for senior citizens has been reduced to $40. Water Minister Robert Pickersgill has given an assurance that measures are being implemented to ensure schools have sufficient water to accommodate the start of the new academic year. In a statement this weekend, Minister Pickersgill said the National Water Commission was already providing black tanks to some corporate area schools that were experiencing water supply challenges and did not have storage capacity. He is, however, urging all schools to establish additional facilities for storage. In the meantime, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller has instructed the Ministries of Water, Education, Health, Agriculture and Local Government to meet and devise a comprehensive response to the situation. The most recent information from the Meteorological Service is for continued below rainfall levels in the southern parishes of St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew, as well as the northeastern parishes of St. Mary, Portland and St. Thomas, which are experiencing severe to extreme drought. Meanwhile, the Education Ministry says all electricity bill balances for schools have now been cleared with the Jamaica Public Service Company. Chief Education Officer Dr. Grace McLean was speaking at a JIS think tank last Wednesday.
We are proud to say that the Ministry of Education has cleared all the arrears, over $101 million. We have also paid all the electricity bills for all the schools up to the end of July, over $45 million, and so all schools now have a clean slate as of the end of July.
She said the ministry's permanent secretary Elaine Foster Allen had written to all the schools concerning their electricity usage over the past 6 months. A cap will be placed on usage based on their needs, which is to be monitored, and the ministry will provide support for energy conservation initiatives in the schools. Government is confident it will meet the targets for the general consumption and corporate taxes for the 2014-2015 financial year. Total tax revenues for the April to June quarter were $1.5 billion more than the $80 billion target, but GCT and corporate taxes underperformed. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips explained the reason for the shortfall at a recent press briefing.
I think we have to bear in mind also that we have, over the past 6 months or so, undergone very far-reaching reforms to the structure of the tax regime that in many respects this still has to work through the system as a whole.
Since January, Tax Administration Jamaica has been implementing a number of new initiatives as part of the tax reform program. These include mandatory electronic filing of tax returns for some categories of taxpayers, as well as changes to the GCT structure for public sector organizations. And finally, the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA has assured Alligator Pond residents that plans are being developed to address the beach erosion occurring in the area. Representatives of the agency met with the residents at the Oswald Seafood Restaurant on Friday. Director of Environmental Management and Conservation Anthony Mackenzie said interventions may include erecting artificial breakwaters.
This site, Alligator Pond, has been identified as one of those critical sites that need attention. I can't say that We're in the preliminary stages.
The residents expressed gratitude to the agency for conducting the public education initiative.
No, that never come and be giving a little bit of teaching, giving some teachment on how to go about it. And I think people will now be more cautious and more be aware of what is happening.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Tamar McHale. Thanks for watching.